Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 benefits of consuming the jackfruit, and we're going to highlight how it can be used as an anti-carcinogenic factor. To expand on the anti-carcinogenic properties of jackfruit, studies have shown that the phytochemicals found in jackfruit, such as flavonoids, saponins, and tannins, can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells in the body. Some studies have even suggested that jackfruit extract may be able to induce cancer cell death and inhibit tumor growth. First, let's talk about how jackfruit is rich in fiber, which can help you maintain healthy digestion and prevent constipation. 2. Jackfruit is also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and iron. 3. Did you know that jackfruit can also help improve your vision? It contains beta-carotene, which is essential for eye health. 4. Jackfruit can help boost your immune system, thanks to its high levels of antioxidants. 5. If you're looking to lose weight, jackfruit can be an excellent addition to your diet because it's low in calories and high in fiber. 6. Jackfruit can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making it an ideal food for people with diabetes. 7. The antioxidants found in jackfruit can help protect against aging and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 8. Jackfruit seeds are also incredibly nutritious and are a great source of protein and healthy fats. 9. Jackfruit can help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. 10. Finally, jackfruit contains phytochemicals that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, making it an excellent addition to a cancer-fighting diet. Additionally, the high levels of antioxidants in jackfruit can help protect the body from the damaging effects of free radicals, which can contribute to the development of cancer and other chronic diseases. So, not only is jackfruit a delicious and nutritious fruit, but it also has the potential to help prevent and fight cancer. It's just one more reason to add this versatile and healthy fruit to your diet. The anti-carcinogenic properties of jackfruit can be attributed to its high levels of phytochemicals, which have been shown to have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the body. These phytochemicals can help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce chronic inflammation, both of which can contribute to the development of cancer. In particular, the flavonoids and saponins found in jackfruit have been studied extensively for their potential to prevent and treat cancer. Flavonoids are a type of antioxidant that can help prevent cell damage and inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Saponins, on the other hand, are compounds that have been shown to have anti-tumor effects and can help stimulate the immune system. Some studies have also suggested that the fiber content in jackfruit may play a role in cancer prevention. Fiber can help promote regular bowel movements, which can help remove harmful toxins and waste from the body. Additionally, fiber can help regulate blood sugar levels, which may be beneficial in preventing certain types of cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-carcinogenic properties of jackfruit, the evidence so far suggests that this delicious fruit may have powerful health benefits, including its potential to help prevent and fight cancer. So, there you have it, guys, the top 10 benefits of consuming jackfruit, including its anti-carcinogenic properties. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.